Our propane and natural gas 15 chicken rotisserie oven. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 46.5 inches, depth of 19.25 inches, height of 28 inches. Included will be 3 skewers to cook up to 15 chickens. And coming here, the power switch and the 3 separate burners to control simultaneously or separately for each skewer cooking the chickens. Coming here is the sticker information with the ETL certification along with the natural gas information. And this can be hooked up to your 110, 120 voltage. Included will also be your natural gas and propane conversion kit, and regulator will come along with this set. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.